if you want to back up your iPhone 16e to iTunes, here's what you need to do. So first of all, I'm gonna use this USB cable in order to connect my iPhone to a computer, and we're gonna open iTunes on the computer. Whether you have Mac or Windows, it doesn't really matter. If you don't have iTunes on your computer, for example on Windows, then you can get it for free, for example, from the Microsoft Store. So once you have iTunes set up, if you have added your phone, then you should be able to find it over here in Library on the left side, but we can either right click on your phone over here in Devices and you can choose Backup, or you can click on this phone icon in the top left side and you should be able to find the Summary, and here we have Backup Now option in Backups section. So this is how we can use the iTunes app on a computer in order to create backups. Now, of course, this is for manual backup, but in addition to that, we can also choose how we want to automatically backup as well. By default, we use iCloud, but we can also use this computer, and we can also create encrypt local backup here with a password of our own. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!